Hey boys and girls, this is Jay and this is a Tank Basculante from 1999. It is a yellow gold Cartier tank with a twist. The original design came from 1932. While structurally similar, the original was named the Tank Reversible Cabriolet. It was made to be a watch that you could wear during a sporting event such as a polo match. So the dial side, the glass, wouldn't have to face the dangerous impact during the game. Today I'm going to show you a few quirky details on this Tank Basculante, and then I'm going to show you how this watch actually works. I know you're probably thinking, it has the same function as a JLC reversal. Well, it surely does. The reversal is another watch that could have its dial flipped upside down. Cartier, however, did not use the same exact structure and used another design to make it happen. With the reversal, you flip the dial upside down vertically. With this Cartier Tank Basculante, well, you do it vertically. Now, it's worth mentioning that this Cartier is part of the CPCP line, which stands for Collection Privée Cartier Paris. The CPCP product line was an effort from Cartier to revive some of their more famous and whimsical designs from their archive. It was not super successful at first, but in recent years, the CPCP line gained a lot more attention within the collector's circle, and the prices also moved up quite a lot. Like many of the CPCP watches, this Tank Basculante has beautiful fire blue hands and a circular wave-like U-shaped finish. It is very simple and elegant, done in classic Cartier style. But its specialness is not on the dial, it is on the case. Normally, a watch crown is located at 3 o'clock on the side of the case, but here it's not. It's at the 12 o'clock position. It might look more symmetrical and balanced, but that's not the point. It actually serves a functional purpose here. More on that later. On it, there is the rather traditional Cartier style blue sapphire. But this time, this is not the real crown. Instead, you will notice a very flat crown underneath the blue sapphire. Now, I will show you how this watch works. The blue sapphire is connected to the outer rim of the case. It is the secret button you pull with your finger or fingernail to open up the case. You lift up the case and voila, it could stand on its own. You can then use your finger to push the inner case apart from the outer ring to rotate it, so it could serve as a nice little table clock as well. Once you rotate it, you could see a very intriguing 3 rows of number: 1999, 2000, 2001. A watch that is made for 3 years, or is the engraving from the previous owner? Turns out neither. This Tank Basculante, reference 2391, is made by Cartier to celebrate the Millennium. They engraved the 3 numbers on the caseback of the watch, so when you wear the dial upside down, you could have a nice reminder of how special this watch is. I find it to be a fun feature, even though it feels more nostalgic than celebratory in 2022. Because this watch has 2 dials, sort of, it also has 2 casebacks, or actually 3. It has the caseback engraved with the 3 big numbers. It also has the caseback full engraved with Cartier logos, and it has a caseback with its limited edition number, and most importantly, it tells you that it is mechanic, meaning this watch actually features a manual wind mechanical movement, not a coarse one, which is supposed to be the higher end and more artisanal watch for Cartier. So, that is the Cartier Tank Basculante from 1999. It has 2 dials and 3 casebacks. It is quite different from the JLC reversal, and it probably won't be made again. Since now Cartier and JLC are both under Richmond management, they probably don't want to have 2 reversible watches in their portfolio. So the Cartier Tank Basculante, just like the numbers on its caseback, the 1999, 2000, and 2001 will be surely missed.